How to contact Huobi customer support. First of all, open the app on your device. From the dashboard, tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on Help Center. Here you will find 24/7 support, including fax, chat support, and contact support options. To contact customer support directly, tap on Chat Support. This will connect you with a Huobi support representative or chatbot that can help with account issues, trading problems, or other questions. Additionally, you can browse the facts for answers to common questions about trading, deposits, withdrawals, and app features. This can save time if your issue is simple or frequently encountered. Once you have contacted support or found a solution in the facts, you can continue using your Huobi app confidently and efficiently. Now you know how to contact Huobi customer support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.